Hi guys, welcome to JXploit. Okay guys, my name is Jidin and in today's video we are going to discuss about password generators. Password generator we basically use to generate complex passwords. If you Google it, you will get n number of softwares or tools that can generate complex passwords. But do you know how simple it is to create a Python program that can generate complex passwords? It is really easy. That we are going to see in this video.
Okay, so now I'm going to write a simple Python program to generate complex passwords. So in order to accomplish this task, we need two different modules. One is random and another one is sys. So random is to generate random combinations of strings and sys is to execute the system level commands. Now in this program, we take input from the user, that is the length of the password from the user, and based on that we will generate the complex password. So for example, if the user input is 8, then this particular program is going to generate an 8-character password. So the first part is to take the user input. So let it be the usual command, that is if underscore underscore name underscore underscore equal to underscore underscore main, then I want the input from the user. So the input from the user is nothing but the length of the password. So I'm going to create a variable plength which is going to take input from the user, that is nothing but the password length. Alright, so once we get the input from the user, the next task is to generate the password. So in order to generate the password, I'm going to write a function, let it be passgen, and the function takes the input from the user, that is password length. Now let's write the function. So I'm going to write the function passgen, which takes the password length from the user. And in order to generate the password, we need three things. One is the letters, that is basically the uppercase and lowercase characters, then digits, then some special characters. The password will be the combination of all these three. Okay, so the first one is the letters, which is basically the alphabets, uppercase and lowercase. So I have already made it here, so let's copy paste. The second one is digits, that is basically from 0 to 9. And the third one is nothing but the special characters, which is again this one. So in order to generate the password, you have to combine these three, that is the letters, digits and the special characters. Now if you want to combine, then these three should be in the same format. So we have to convert all these three variables into strings. So for that, just we have to add str to all these variables. The second one is done. Now moving on to the third one. So now I have converted all these three variables into strings. Now the next part is to combine all these three strings, that is the letters, digits and the special characters. So I'm giving the name as char, that is a short form of characters. So I'm going to combine the letters, then digits and the special characters. So now that we have combined all these three variables, it's time to generate the password. For that, I'm going to create a new variable password. So in this, what I'm going to do is to join the random characters with the help of a random function. Random.choice of characters. So it is going to take random characters from the variable char and then it's going to generate the password. Now it is going to take random characters from the variable char, which is a combination of all three, that is the letters, digits and the special characters, and it has to generate the password depending upon the user input. So for that we have to write a loop within this command for I in range of password length. So depending upon the password length given by the user, the function is going to take random characters from char value one by one, and it will combine at the end as a string to generate the complex password. So for example, if the user input is 8, then this particular function is going to take 8 random characters from char variable, which is a combination of letters, digits and special characters, and combine it to form the password. Now the last part is to print the password and exit the program. For that I am going to use print password generated and comma the password. Now this will print the password, and finally we have to exit the program. For that I am going to use sys.exit, which is a system level command to exit the program. So it's a best practice to exit the program once all the task is done. And you can also add error handling in this program if you want to. So one more thing is, you can also generate the letters, digits and the special characters with the help of a module known as string. But unfortunately, this particular module will not work with the latest version of Python, that is Python 3. So that module is only supported for Python 2. So that's the reason why I didn't use that module in this program. Okay, so now that our program is ready, let's run this program and see if it generates a password. So it is a best practice to run the program from the terminal. So I'm going to open the terminal and let's type Python 3 and the program name is passgen.py. And it is asking for the password length. Let it be 12. Oops, that's an error. So I have forgot to do one thing, that is to convert the length of the password to an integer, because by default it will take it as a string. So I'm going to convert the pass length or the password length to an integer. Okay, so I did it directly from the function. Okay, so I have converted the password length to an integer. Now let's try to run the program again. Okay, the same command, that is python 3 passlength.py, and again it is asking for the password length and let it be 12, and there it is. Your password is generated. It is a 12 character password. Okay, now let's try with the different password length. So in this case I'm going to give 10. Now it generated another 10 character password. So this simple piece of program can generate complex password. It is really that easy.
Okay guys, that's pretty much from this video. Before we wrap it up, please subscribe and click on the bell icon to get the latest video updates. See you soon with another video. Till then, bye bye.